Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In the previous class, we learnt about the lifestyle of people in Plateau region. In today's class, we are going to learn about the coastal plains. So on the screen, you can have a look at a beautiful picture of a beach and the coconut trees and the people enjoying the beach there, right?
Today,
We will learn about the coastal plains of India. A coastal plain is a flat land lying next to a sea or ocean.
keywords we will use are
The keywords here: coastal plain, a flat land lying next to a sea or ocean. Delta, fertile land that is formed when a big river splits into several smaller rivers. Silt, soil that has been carried by a flowing river. Monsoon, a wind in the Indian Ocean and southern Asia that brings heavy rains in the summer. Beach, an area of sand or rocks next to the sea.
O.
Let us watch this video.
Indian coastal plains are divided into western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plains lie along the Arabian Sea. Eastern coastal plains lie along the Bay of Bengal. The coastal plains have beautiful beaches. However, coastal plains are the only landforms which experience cyclones.
Let's summarize the answers now. The coastal plain. Okay, now it's
What could you guess about the coastal plains from the picture?
let's summarize.
The coastal plains are flat and lie next to a sea or ocean. The coastal plains have a pleasant climate. The coastal plains have sand on the beaches and some coconut trees. Okay, they are flat and they are next to ocean. They have a pleasant climate. They have sand on the beaches and some coconut trees. Now let us read this table. Hot and dry climate? No. Very cold? No. Hot and rainy? Yes. Pleasant breeze? Yes. Hills? No. Mountains? No. Thick forest? No. Flat plains? Yes. Sea or ocean? Yes. Sandy desert? No. So, these were the words that were related to the coastal plains. Which are not related, we put a cross there.
Part.
What are some features of the coastal plains of India?
Let's summarize
The coastal plains of India are divided into the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are very fertile as rivers form deltas and bring silt to this region. The climate is hot and humid in summer and cool in winter. They receive good amounts of rainfall during the monsoon.
Part 3.
Why should the beaches of the coastal plains be kept? Okay, what is the reason? The beaches should be clean.
Let's
The beaches of the coastal plains should be kept clean because the sea is home to many different animals. We all know that many aquatic animals live in the sea: dolphins, starfish, whales, different variety of fishes, shrimp, right? So many. Throwing waste on the beaches pollutes the sea and makes it unfit for the animals who live in it. Now,
Okay, now it's time for some application. Let's find our workbook and complete worksheet 10.1. I repeat, worksheet 10.1.
so
Please do the worksheet on your own.
put today's date, the coastal plains, mark the coastal region of India on the map. Okay, you take one color, yellow color, and color the part, or if not yellow color, you can go for any other color. So color the region where you find the coastal plains of India. Then question 2, the words in the box are features of the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Sort them under 2 columns. A few could be common to the both. So what are related to western coastal plains and which words are related to eastern coastal plains? Sort them under the headings. Arabian Sea. See what are same we can share with both the plains. So heavy rainfall is the first point which we can write here. Heavy rainfall, humid and hot climate also is same in both western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. So we are going to write these 2 words in both the columns. Then Arabian Sea is related to western coastal plains, and Bay of Bengal is eastern coastal plains. Tamil Nadu, eastern coastal plains. Kerala and western coastal plains. Kaveri Delta in eastern coastal plains. Okay, Maharashtra in eastern coastal plains. Then Odisha in eastern coastal plains. Right? Next, many people take part in cleaning beaches in their free time. Why is the cleaning of beaches important? Give reasons for your answer. Cleaning of beaches is very, very important because if waste is thrown on the beaches, it pollutes the water in the sea. Because many water animals live in the sea, it causes harm to them, right? So now let us
Okay, now let's look at what we should do for our homework. Answer practice questions 1 to 3 in your notebook. Here are the questions. You don't have to copy them. They are in your content book.
Right? Fill in the blanks choosing words from the brackets. A. Coastal plains are dash lands located next to the sea or ocean. Flat or uneven? They are flat lands. B. The western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains meet at Chennai or Kanyakumari? At Kanyakumari. Second question. Why are the eastern coastal plains fertile? Write 2 reasons. The eastern coastal plains are fertile because many rivers flow from the plateau region towards the coast. So these rivers bring silt, which make the soil fertile. Third question. Imagine you are at a beach and you see someone throwing chocolate wrappers into the sea. What would you tell them? I would tell them not to do like that because waste pollutes the seawater and it harms the sea animals. So that's all for today, students. Read the lesson from the content book twice. Underline new words. Thank you. Have a good day.